Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a pocket option affiliate program review and breaking down what it is, how it works, the good parts, and what to consider before joining. The pocket option affiliate program lets you earn income by referring new traders to the pocket option trading platform. When someone signs up and starts trading through your referral link, you get paid a commission based on the trading activity or deposit amount. This gives content creators and website owners a way to earn by promoting a financial platform instead of physical products. One of the main advantages of Pocket Options affiliate program is the potential to earn ongoing commissions. Unlike some affiliate programs that pay a one-time fee, Pocket Option often pays based on the volume of trades or deposits made by the people you refer. This means if your referrals stay active, you can continue earning over time. Another positive is that Pocket Option provides tracking tools and promotional materials to help affiliates manage their links and see how their referrals are performing. This makes it easier to understand what content drives signups and how much you're earning from your audience. However, there are some important downsides to be aware of. Pocket Option is a financial trading platform, which means it involves risk for the users you refer. This can make it harder to promote compared to physical products or general online services. Many audiences may be hesitant to sign up for trading platforms because trading involves real money and potential loss. Another consideration is that financial affiliate programs like this often have strict marketing rules. You may need to comply with regulations depending on where your audience is located, and some platforms restrict how affiliates can advertise trading services. Breaking the rules could affect your affiliate status. So, who is the Pocket Option affiliate program best for? It works best for creators who already focus on finance, investing, trading education, or cryptocurrency content. If your audience is interested in financial tools and trading platforms and you can explain the risks and benefits clearly, this program can offer strong earning potential. Overall, the Pocket Option affiliate program is a way to earn by referring traders to a platform that offers ongoing commissions. It carries unique challenges because of the nature of financial trading, but for creators in the finance niche who understand the risks and rules, it can be a viable revenue stream. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.